Okay, good morning. It's Thursday, September 5th. We're staying at Roan Creek Campground, which is in like this area here. We're going to head into Johnson City, or not Johnson City, Mountain City, and get some breakfast. And then we are going to take the Snake, which is Route 421. I believe it has 489 curves within 33 miles. It goes over 3 mountains and 1 valley. And we are going to take a little side road off and see Backbone Rock. So that's our plan for the day. So there's the Snake winding up.
There's a moose. Heading into Mountain City. Truck. Fox thing in the back. I have Tesla stock. Good job. Mickey D's it is for breakfast. Just outside of Mountain City. It's 421 north. Warning sign, trucks not recommended. All right. .133 north will take us to that rock thing. Off the Snake for a minute. Man, how nice is this? Through the forest, windy roads, all shaded. This might be our new favorite place. National Forest, Backbone Rock Rec Area. There it is. Cricks everywhere. Well, that was pretty cool. 421 to Snake, but we're gonna stop at this place first. Shady Valley Country Store. Back on the Snake. Just left the store.
The South Holston Lake off of the Snake 421. It's a very beautiful lake. Unfortunately, people have left beer cans and bottles and broken glass everywhere, just ruining such a nice area. The lake is so pretty. There's one beer bottle.
Back at Roan
Creek.
Family Campground. I think we're calling it a day. That's why we got our beverages. And then we're off to probably around Elkins, West Virginia, then home. So probably about done filming. So love Mountain City. This campground's in Mountain City. Beautiful. Could call this home.
Yeah.
Great roads. The snake was fun. Backbone Rock was nice. We'll do it again. Wrap Adventures out.